Chessa here from Tropic Stardom Agency, helping you make money online as an adult creator. Today I'm talking about tips and tricks for making more money with OnlyFans. Number one tip I have for you is the mass messaging feature on OnlyFans. If you are not using it already, you have something to learn in this video, or you can contact me through the link in the description below. Anyways, mass messaging on OnlyFans is super important because, as you know, if you're a content creator already, you have subscribers who are subscribed to your daily updates on OnlyFans. Now, I'm going to give you a content strategy that nobody else is giving you online right now. Okay, post every day. Tip number one, post every day a photo or a video, a piece of authentic content, right, to your main feed. Then use the mass messaging function, okay, this is tip number two, to give a more exclusive version of that photo or video that you posted. Let's use a boudoir, a sexy lingerie shoot, or a bikini pic, for example. Well, to see more of this, check out this piece of content. When you send people in the private messages a piece of content, it's blurred out, number one, which is really cool because they don't get a sneak peek. You do have a place to actually write a description in there, and that is really awesome because that gives you the opportunity to add value to that person, that subscriber's life, right? You could say, hey, this is me. I'm at a waterfall in Costa Rica with no more bikini top, something like that, right? Adult creators are really, again, who I specialize working with. They're the people who are making really that $200,000, $400,000 a year, and the top percent is making far more than that. And so really, this is super valuable for adult creators because in that description, you can be very enticing. So again, bringing it back, we have number one, a photo that you're posting every day, or a video, a piece of content. But the exclusive content gets sold on a daily basis in the mass messaging features, and that's where you're going to be able to make a lot of upside. So just something that I'm really passionate about as a woman who owns OnlyFans agency is passive income, and also really being diversified. So anyways, let's talk about passive income for a second. You have the ability, which is tip number three, to create passive income because you're able to set this up in advance. You're able to schedule out your posts so that you make money while you're not actually like being in front of the camera or constantly creating that content. So we do that for people with our agency. I've partnered with Marketing Dom. I help them with everything. We're totally partners. We're involved in every step of the way for a creator. But you could also do it for yourself, right? And schedule out that content, and then make sure that you're doing two pieces of content every time. You're doing something that your subscribers are going to be happy with, that's authentic to you, the reason why they follow you, and then giving them more exclusive access, which is offered to them, again, in the mass messages for a different price. It's an additional fee. That could be $5, that could be $2. You get to set that rate. It's one of the amazing things about OnlyFans. And yeah, that's my big tip for today for growing your wealth as an adult creator on OnlyFans. It's really use that mass messaging feature. Make sure that you are scheduling out your posts. Make sure that you're scheduling daily, and it's going to make a big difference in what you get paid. Hit the link in the bio if you want to subscribe. If you want to just connect with me and get a little audit of what you might be doing wrong, what you could do to make more money online, hit me up and let's get you going.